The purpose of this video is to share the method of repairing parts. There's no intention to advertise brands, disclose private properties, or promote any services. Just enjoy watching the video until the end. You might learn something new. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to LX518. So today I'm going to share how I split the 15 volts into 3 voltages and made a variable supply 0 to 5 volts. For the background, previously I built a controller to remotely control the ion source supply unit. Remote control means to operate the unit using external signals and not using the control panel to operate. The controller required 8 volts, 5 volts, negative 5 volts, and a variable supply 0 to 5 volts to adjust the output voltage from minimum to maximum. Thus I made a simple circuit design by using 15 volt source and split it into the required voltages. Without further ado, let's move to the next page. Thank you. Here is the simple circuit design. This circuit generates 5 volts, 8 volts, and negative 5 volts. To calculate the R6 and R7, you can follow the formula in figure 1.2, or you can also Google it for more details. Thank you. Let's move to the next page. This is the adjustable 0 to 5 volts and remote controller circuit. The circuit inside the red broken lines is the simple circuit I made for 0 to 5 volts voltage source. Here's the formula on how to calculate the R1, R2, and R3 and the desired maximum voltage that you want. You can change the Vout and Vp for any voltage that required on your project and calculate the resistors. The rest of the circuit inside the yellow broken lines are for the remote controller interlock and signals to operate remotely the ion source supply. That's all for this page. Next, here we were testing the remote controller project. Please watch the video.
Go. Okay, I turn on now. Okay, all activated. The solenoid, source, and interlock. Okay, now at arc mode, so I need to increase the arc voltage. It should also increase the voltage here. Okay. By the way, this arc is controlled by 0 to 5 volts. So 5 volts is the maximum voltage that will display here and equivalent to 3 volts. So let's adjust now the voltage from 0 to 5. You can see the voltage here also is increasing. Alright, that's the maximum. Okay, arc remote mode controlling. Okay, stop. Now we will try the filament remote control using this powerful gadget. Okay, turn on the interlock. Now it's set to filament. Then currently the voltage is 0. I will adjust to 5 volts, and this current should also increase to 200 amps and voltage to 6 volts. Let's see. Now I move to current mode and adjust. Should reach around 200 amps. The maximum voltage here. Okay, yes, 200 amps and voltage should 5.3. It's okay, still acceptable. Okay, it works, it works. Go back to 0. Yes, sir. Thank you. Current mode, okay. Filament, and this one also okay. Bye, guys.
Alright, that's all. The controller is working as expected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with my upcoming videos. You can also check my other success repair videos, and I have many repair methods to share soon. If you have any comments, questions, clarifications, or suggestions, you can leave it on the comments section below, and I will try to answer quickly. Thank you, and see you next time. Goodbye.